As I see it, iBest has multiple levels of novelty and significance. In the first place, I'm so happy that a group of young men and women have come together to establish such a beautiful, forward-looking, confident institution. You have initiated Educare skill program. As a teacher these many years, I am so heartened to see this development. There is this progressive educational theory based on the principle that we ought to teach by delighting and delight by teaching. Educare skill, I see, does precisely that. Teaching by delighting and delighting by teaching. I have already had glimpses of some of the most attractive and appealing programs that you have produced, and I see that children and youth around the country are already enjoying and celebrating these most exciting items of learning. A very special feature of Educare skill has been the production of some beautiful animated series in our national language. Some of our most beautiful and favorite stories have been lying flat on the pages of our books. But all of a sudden, I see these stories come alive on very appealing screens. For all these and more, I would like to thank and commend the Educare skill team for all these wonderful productions and wish you the very best as you continue educating, delighting and taking Bhutan forward. Tashidili.